In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable interface. Whether you're a seasoned Airtable user or just beginning to navigate its features, creating an interface can greatly enhance how you interact with your data. Let's delve into the process of building an efficient and visually appealing Airtable interface. First, go to your Airtable account and open the base where you'd like to set up the interface. Think of your base as the foundation or hub for your project or dataset. It's where all your tables and pertinent information reside. With your base open, direct your attention to the top of the interface and click on the Interfaces tab. You'll encounter three main options here: Start Building, Template Options, and any existing interfaces if you've already created them. Next, decide on your starting method. If you're looking for the freedom to design every aspect from scratch, select the Blank Interface option. This approach allows full customization, tailoring the interface exactly to your needs. However, if time or experience is a factor, choosing a pre-built template might be more suited to your needs. There are several available, such as a CRM, project tracker, or sales dashboard, to name a few. Additionally, you can opt for a record review layout or dashboard layout depending on the functionality you're aiming for. Once you've set your starting point, it's time to choose the layout type that fits best with your objectives. If you're focused on displaying key performance indicators or visual data, the dashboard layout is ideal. On the other hand, if you're managing tasks or leads, a record review layout might be your go-to. For data collection purposes, a form layout offers the most value, and if none of these quite fit your vision, starting with a blank canvas provides the flexibility for a custom design. After establishing your layout, the next step is to add elements that will bring your interface to life. This could include tables, charts, Kanban boards, calendars, buttons, text blocks, filters, or record detail panels. For example, if you're setting up a CRM interface, you might want to incorporate a leads table, a pipeline tracker, and some metrics for tracking progress. Or, for a project dashboard, you could organize a task list alongside a calendar and various charts to visualize data progress. With all the visual components in place, it's crucial to ensure that your interface effectively connects to the data. The interface pulls data from tables within your Airtable base, and you have the option to choose which tables to display. Additionally, you can filter records, sort information for clarity, and create personalized views that highlight the most relevant data for your needs. Lastly, customizing permissions is an important step. This determines who has access to view or edit the interface, helping you manage collaboration in a structured way. Set parameters for different team members based on their roles or responsibilities, ensuring that everyone has the right level of access to the data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll create a powerful and intuitive Airtable interface tailored to your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy building!